Hi everyone, my name is Heather and I'm the person behind Happy Puppy Truffles. And today I wanted to share with you guys some beautiful origami paper I got while I was in Kyoto with my family. I looked around and tried to find where would be like the best and most highly recommended place to buy origami paper while we were there. Now, there's of course lots of places that there's one at least for sure that is very specifically meant to kind of show you how paper is made, and that's really cool. You have to kind of drive a little ways out from the city to get to that. But I wasn't so much interested in that kind of handmade paper as I am in, you know, use end style papers and things that have printed patterns on them for the purpose of origami. That's usually the kind of paper that I'm most drawn to just because I love origami, and so this is usually the stuff that I'm most interested in. Now, there were also some places that let you go and possibly even show, as part of the process of being there, you can print and make your own kind of papers. And that looked pretty cool, but it was a little pricey, and we already had so many things to do. We kind of passed, but definitely something to keep in mind for future trips. But the place we picked had so many cool things, a beautiful selection of paper, and I was really pleased with all the things I was able to get when I was there. First of all, I was able to get a couple this was actually a set of some washi tape kind of papers that are made here from the actual paper and then made to be like little masking tapes. Basically, just a piece of the paper run and cut into a nice long piece that's about 2 centimeters, I imagine. Yeah, that looks about like 2 centimeters. I had to get this because I love ladybugs, so that was too cute. It's pretty rare to find. I was hunting for ladybugs, clovers, and owls because those are the things I like a lot as motifs on things. But then I'm always drawn very quickly to any standard use and pattern flowers and things like that. So I did get this really pretty card kind of thing that was designed that had the ajisai on it, and I just loved that so much. It was so pretty, so I wanted to keep that, and it's kind of like actually a letter that has incense in it, so it's kind of a cute way to share a nice incense smell and also the handcrafted pattern of the ajisai, which I love. The hydrangeas are so pretty. It was a little on the pricey side, but because it is such a beautifully handcrafted item and it includes the incense inside here, then it smells really good. So, yeah, that's really cool. So, very cool to get that. And then I got a bunch of different packs of different sizes of origami paper. And I also got a couple of sheets, but I don't have them with me right now. But I wanted to just show you guys some of these. I did get, in 3 different sizes just so I had some variety. And these are always sort of fun because it's sort of like getting like a lottery ticket. You don't know what's going to be inside. Other kinds of origami paper that you buy, they say very clearly on the back which things are available, But when you buy from a particular paper place like this, whether it be in Kyoto or any place in Japan, you don't really know what you're getting. I mean, they tell you how many sheets, and you can tell if it's a double-sided print or not, but you can't really know for sure what you're getting. I mean, you can kind of tell from some of the color here at the top, maybe. Sometimes they organize the papers by color theme, so you can buy all papers that are just blue or all red or green or something like that. But these I wanted to get because they were so beautiful, and they all have gold background. They're double-sided. One side is gold and the other side is patterned. And I just thought that would make for such beautiful projects. And I really want to make some pretty kusudama or really beautiful boxes. I always love making Tomoko Husei's boxes. Those are always so fun. And they make really good use of the front and back of both of the paper. So I was thinking if I could ever make up my mind of which one to make, I would do that. So that was why I kind of leaned towards these things. And then I also happened to get this set of them as well. And this one has, let me show you guys here. I'm having a hard time remembering for sure. Those I think were the double-sided with gold. I think that all the ones I got were double-sided, but I can't remember. Nope. Yeah, this one's double-sided too. This one that I have that I just opened here, these are just regular single-sided, front-sided only papers. But you can kind of see here, we just get such a fun variety of paper. We have, just some standard kinds of colors, different kinds of patterns, things that are more simple like this. Also some that are just more elaborate. This is a standard go-to design in terms of this kind of paper. And it just has that nice weight. You could feel the layers of ink on it. It's so beautiful. I just love this kind of paper. That's a classic, patterned design there. So you get a really good variety. You get some pattern designs, some more abstract ones, some, flower patterns, lots of, more geometric designs, going in different colors of red and green and blue as the base. This one has actually a silver accent ink to it instead of gold, which is pretty. Another pattern that's more geometric there. Some sakura petals, that's pretty. And a nice geometric pattern with a black background and gold. Something that looks more, kind of old feel to it. This is actually just more of a printed paper, not one that has got lots of layers of ink pressed onto it necessarily, just a single print. But still very nice and fun paper for sure. And then this actually, there was a couple patterns in the same, the same pattern, but with the different colors here, the three that were, so if you wanted to use those together, that could be fun. And then this guy. So that kind of gives you an idea of what was in that collection, for example. And that whole set is 550 yen. And you can kind of compare that then to this guy here, who is 275 yen. Much smaller. You think, oh, it's about half in size, so half in price. But there's more, I think there's more pages in here. I don't see it. I'd have to count it. But this says very clearly there's 10 in here. And this guy is 770 yen as well. So same price as this pack that I just showed you guys, but less inside. And so but the paper is double-sided, so that's why it's more expensive than it would be if you had gotten something else. So, and then this one actually, like I said, is kind of similar to this guy. They're the same, double-sided with a gold background. And there were a couple prints in here, I think, that were the same when I opened them up. But I was really excited and pleased with the collection of paper I got from this when I was there. And I'm really excited to think of some projects that I could do. I haven't made or fold anything in a while, so I'm hoping maybe I can make something sometime and share it with you guys. That's just some fun thing I've done for myself. Yeah, and I'll have some more fun things to share with you guys. And I thank you guys so much always for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.